But I gotta do Freebird because everybody likes Freebird, that's for sure. One of my favorite songs, Leonard Skinner. Recorded on Memorial Day 2026. You got Marco singing. If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? For I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places I've gotta see. If I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. Oh, in this bird you cannot change. In this bird you cannot change. Lord, no, I can't change. Lord, help me, I can't change. Lord, I can't change. Won't fly free bird, yeah. Yeah, Marco's here. Recorded on Memorial Day 2026 for y'all. Somebody listening there. For y'all. Alright. Alright, free bird.